7 Positive Habits of a Contented Muslim Couple. However, if you're wondering how some Muslim couples lead a more successful and contented married life than others, we have you covered in this session. In light of the Islamic teachings, here are 7 habits all happy Muslim couples abide by in hopes of leading a beautiful future together. 1. Good character comes above all. Nothing placed on the scale is heavier than good character in a successful marriage. Hence, helping your spouse achieve their dreams, making time for them, and fulfilling your promises to each other is considered a priority each time around. 2. Seeking out the good in each other. Similarly, focusing on the unwanted attributes of your marriage instead of appreciating the good is extremely unhealthy. Happy couples understand the importance of focusing on the good than the bad. 3. Gratefulness all the way. Being grateful for what your spouse brings to the table is also a given for a successful Muslim marriage. After all, when you and your partner stop considering basic spousal duties as a favor to each other, the 3-letter evilness, dubbed as ego, will automatically leave the picture. 4. Bridging the gap with communication. Talking to your spouse as if they're your best friend is always a good sign. However, mutual respect is always a key ingredient you wouldn't want to dismiss, not just in good times but also in conflicting ones. Successful Muslim married couples also prioritize sharing details about their day, laughing around, and sharing their ideas to bridge any undesired communication gap. Similarly, they realize how essential it is to exhibit a respectful demeanor towards each other when holding different opinions or having disagreements. 5. Saying no to arguments. The Prophet, Pbuh, once said, "I guarantee a house in Jannah for one who gives up arguing, even if he is in the right." Need we say more? 6. Fighting the enemies together. Ill intentions, ego, Satan, and the always blamed evil eye are the operational enemies that destroy a marriage from the inside out. However, when wife and husband fight together against all malice, no evil, or Satan could use moments of stress and fret to spark an unnecessary argument that may evolve into a fight against each other. 7. Making mutual decisions about family. Lastly, no matter one's partial opinions, successful Muslim married couples make it a point not to let disagreements get in the way of making the right decisions as a family. All in all, handling all circumstances rationally while exhibiting calm confidence is key to a happily ever after for all Muslim couples.